Welcome to your LEV AI homepage. Let's go through all the features that you can see here. So the first thing that you'll see are these big three buttons. These are shortcuts to really special features within the tool, like My AI Social, which can generate an instant post based on your personal brand. You can also post and create about your businesses, and you can turn your contacts into leads and sales by screenshotting and uploading them into your contacts list. You're also going to see My AI Expert here, and if you're part of teams, they'll populate here. Over here, you'll see to train My AI Writer. So if you'd like to change anything about the onboarding questions as you trained your AI about you, you can go into here. You can chat with My AI. You can build a business profile. You can find a contact or add a new lead. Now, whenever you'd like to visit the homepage, you can always click this button up at the top, which will bring you back to this screen. Let's go through the entire navigation together so you know what everything does. The first is if you'd like to create a social post. This is Write a Social Post, part of My AI Social. You can generate an instant post for your personal post or for a business once you've added a business profile. All you have to do is hit Instant Post. Next, you have Write a Message. There's many different types of messages that you can have AI help you with here. You can actually reply to a social post by uploading a screenshot. You could also copy and paste text from a post here. You could also have LEV AI help you start a conversation. Or you could even do cold outreach, which could help you start a conversation with someone you do not know yet. Moving on to the next section, you'll see Manage My AI. And if you click this button, you'll land on the Train My AI feature. This is where you can go through and change any of the hobbies or information you provided at the beginning of your account. If you'd like to change anything, always make sure to hit save. You can also go into My AI Chat, where you can chat with your AI. You can also go into your business or product profiles where you can create and add a new business. Going on to the next feature, we have My AI Expert. If we click here, you can actually have a live conversation with your AI expert to help you with your business. You also can do Help Me Reply and select from a series of different objectives to help you come up with a message or response as you're communicating with someone. The next feature you'll have is My Network. This is where we have all of our contacts. You can upload your contacts by adding new contacts here. You can add a lead from a screenshot, or you can search through your contacts or add it manually, or you can upload a list on My Contacts here. Import contacts. You also can go down to My List. Once you've uploaded contacts, you'll be able to select what type of list you want to put people in. So as you add a new contact, you can create different lists of how you would like to communicate with people. And then here, if you have access to My Prospects, this is where you'll be able to search for different leads. If you toggle down to My Marketing, this is where you'll be able to access all of your websites and the email features with My Web and Email. Here you can create a new website based on a business profile and select all of your different settings. And finally, here are your teams. If you are a part of a team, they will populate here. Now, if you ever get stuck, you can come over to our support feature. Here, you'll be able to search through different articles to see if you can find your answer. You can type any questions here to see if there's related articles. You can search through any of these items, or you can go up to submit a request. If you're a partner of LEV AI, you can access your back office here. And here you have all of your account info where you can change your profile picture, you can change your email address, you can change your information, you can connect your email, you can select your notification settings here, and you can log out. Headed back to the home page, this completes our home page overview and our navigation overview for LEV AI.